On your mark, get set!
It's not all work and no play. CURE scholars take a break from the books to splash in the pool and play in the summer sun with a field day. CURE Field Day came together after students expressed the desire to do more activities outside. For many of the scholars, it's not safe for them to play outdoors in their neighborhoods and schools, so they're often stuck indoors. CURE's executive director, Dr. Robin Saunders, decided a field day was the perfect solution for their cabin fever. The field day fun starts with a splash. Students competing in relay races, water basketball, and synchronized swimming. And the friendly competition continues outside with old-school field day activities like a tug-of-war and a water balloon toss. All of this teaching the 7th and 8th graders teamwork and sportsmanship, skills they can't learn in the classroom. The day wraps up with a poster competition. The students express what CURE means to them.
We will never forget CURE and what you did for us.
And the field day would not be complete without a dance party.